Gates India stands as one of the premier manufacturer of belts, hoses and accessories in India. Gates is a part of Gates Corporation USA and has a rich expertise and legacy of providing complete fluid power and power transmission solutions over last 100 years. Gates provides complete solutions for fluid power and power transmission, which significantly improves productivity as well as the efficiency. The hydraulic system is a very critical element, and any failure in hydraulic system needs to be attended immediately. In such a scenario, the connections need to be restored at the earliest in order to reduce downtime and improve productivity. Gates hoses along with Gates end fittings crimped according to Gates specification gives hydraulic system a long life. In steel industry, coke injection has always been a difficult sector. Due to abrasive nature of coke, it generally punctures the hose. The condition is worsened by the use of different sizes of coal. Gates Gajra hose are tested on various steel plants such as JSW, SR and have proven to circumvent the problem by successfully acting as a conduit for highly abrasive particles like coke, gravel, sand or a mixture of all with air. Gates Gajra hose outperforms all other hoses in such a severe working. They are especially recommended for extreme abrasive conditions where normal and blast hoses are not able to perform. For keeping the furnace cool, Gates provides unparalleled non-conductive hoses with extremely long life. Through its characteristics of abrasion and weather resistance, flexibility is coupled together with adequate toughness to help passing the electrical cables assembled through the hose. Gates carbon-free hose is specially designed and manufactured to take the abuse of the toughest working environments. You can always count on Gates carbon-free hose for optimal performance. Experts at Gates developed this specialized product with the innovation of new rubber-based compounds required to meet the demanding performance requirements in furnace coolant applications. Gates, through its unmatched product performance, offers long-lasting hose assemblies. Superiority of Gates is further enhanced by its 24/7 on-site assistance, popularly known as DTM, that is, Direct to Market. The latest container was inaugurated by senior officials from JSW at their Bellary site. It is a fully equipped container workshop in customer's premises, which manufactures hydraulic hose assembly as per the customer's requirements 24/7, which lets Gates resolve any failure immediately on the spot and thus greatly reduce the customer's downtime. Gates have fully equipped containers operational at IVRCL Jammu, JP Bhutan, Gammon Bhutan, HCC Padur, Sesa Goa, JSW Steel Limited Bellary, HCC Kishan Ganga and Marti India Bhutan.